Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create creative text mask designs in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the Type tool, and type other text. Select text and change its font to Metropolis Extra Bold. Adjust its size and place it in center. Go to the File menu, place Embedded, select your image, and place. Open Layer Panel, and decrease its opacity a little bit. Then adjust its placement. Again, set its opacity to full. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy. Go to the Object Selection tool, and make a rough selection. Then add a layer mask to it. Select Brush tool. Follow my settings. And remove the extra part. Select Image Layer. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy. Then make Clipping Mask. Change its blend mode to Multiply, and decrease its opacity to 90%. Go to the Adjustment layer and create Vibrance layer. Follow my settings. Create a solid color adjustment layer. Apply light shade to it. Create blank layer. Go to the Brush tool. Follow my settings. And apply like this. Add birds PNG to it. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comments section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.